Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Hello everyone, checking back in on Bitcoin. Last video I did, I said the bulls needed to form a higher low and then look for higher highs to try and reverse this trend because we were very clearly seeing lower highs and lower lows. Well, that is what we have here heading into this next week, where we were seeing some very nice, healthy, bullish consolidation. And on Wednesday, it was very clear that the bulls were defending these levels down at the 1015, 1008, and 1017 levels. So we're building a base just above $1,000, and the bulls are seeing those lower wicks. So this is normal, healthy consolidation, and you can tell that because it's nice and contained. We're not seeing a pullback significantly compared to the move to the upside. And we're seeing lower wicks with bulls buying the dip. So very, very clearly different than any of the other pullbacks we had seen, with the first bear day we had seen giving back 4 days of bull gains, giving back 2 days of bull gains, and the first consolidation here, we don't even see it giving back even half of the bull day here. So that is how we know that it is normal, healthy, bullish consolidation, which did lead to continuation to the upside. And we were watching an hourly downtrend resistance line that broke, and that was the bull signal, in my opinion, knowing on the daily time frame that we had normal, healthy consolidation underway, and knowing that if we broke this bull or this downtrend line, this bearish downtrend resistance, that we would be looking for the bulls to show up. So here was this pattern to be watching of higher lows and lower highs on the hourly, and the bulls broke it back at the end of March yesterday, early in the morning. And then look at that move. Bulls recognize technical analysis, and they see huge volume pour in, the biggest bull volume that we've seen in days, and it is coming right after this bull break of resistance, and in 2 hours we take out tons of resistance levels and see this big time continuation to the upside. So the bulls are in control, trying to shift this trend on the daily time frame. The next major resistance level to be watching is 1118, and we are forming a lower high here. So this upper wick shows profit taking. This is a bearish reversal daily candlestick. We'll see how it forms here at the end of the day. Our new resistance is 1097. So the range to be watching right now is 1008 support and 1097 resistance, and it's a scenario now where if we do consolidate, we must form a higher low compared to 1008 and then make the bulls need to make another move back up towards 1097, and a break of 1118, this other recent high, would be a significant break for the bulls. So I'm going to start moving some levels here and watching these resistances for the bulls to break, and the key support to be maintaining is down at that 1008 level, the low of that previous consolidation. We can get rid of these trend lines that have broken to favor the bulls. We can keep that uptrend line there. Let's see how that's looking on the hourly. We can keep that uptrend line there because it's holding some hourly supports and we're well above it. Maybe that level will come into play next week. We'll be keeping an eye on that. But as of right now, bulls in full control. And if you're looking at some more detailed information, you look at the hourly time frame, and the bulls want to see the same scenario. They want to see progress and keep forming higher lows where we are building a base of support on consolidation, and the bulls want to make another move to the upside. So some key hourly supports for me, I'm looking at 1065, 1066. And I'm looking at the low of this consolidation of 1059. So the bulls are in control on the hourly time frame. Significant bear candlestick here, but again, we're still forming higher lows, and we'll see if the bulls can hold on to that pattern heading into tomorrow. So I appreciate you watching. We're going to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Bulls are starting to show back up. Let's see how it looks on the weekly time frame. Haven't seen the weekly in a while. Big bullish reversal candlestick on the weekly. We'll see if we can confirm it next week. We have not seen 2 green weeks in a row since the all-time high and the top was hit. Hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching.